The weekly Amrit Bharat Express train from Malda to Bengaluru was flagged off in Pakur today by Bharatiya Janata Party Legislature Party leader Amrit Bharat, Rajya Sabha MP Aditya Kumar Sahu, Divisional Manager of Howrah Railway Division Sanjeev Kumar, Senior Railway Officer and thousands of people were present on the occasion. As soon as the Malda Bengaluru Amrit Bharat Express reached Pakur station, people welcomed it. People participated enthusiastically in the program organized on the occasion of stoppage of the train. On the occasion, opposition leader Amrit Bharat said that the entire country is celebrating the Amrit Utsav of independence, and on this, the occasion, Amrit Bharat train has been started. He said that after completion of 100 years of independence, India will reach the first position in the world in 2047. Shri Bharat said that under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, better work is being done to develop the country in the field of education, road and health.
अमृत उत्सव हम लोगों ने मनाया है। अमृत उत्सव के इस अवसर पर ही अमृत भारत ट्रेनों की शुरुआत हुई है। 2047 में देश अपने आजादी के 100 साल मनाएगा, तब हम विश्व के प्रथम राष्ट्र होंगे विकास के क्षेत्र में। उस विकसित राष्ट्र के संकल्प को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए भी पूरे देश के अंदर विकसित भारत संकल्प की यात्रा भी चल रही है।